Hi, this is Megan Hay from McGraw-Hill's Digital Success Team. In this video, we'll review how to manage student extensions and accommodations. To set student extensions for a single assignment, we'll simply click into the assignment. From the assignment overview page, we'll go to the drop-down menu at the top right-hand corner and select Manage Extensions. From here, we can select the student that requires the extension or students, and we can adjust the start date and time, the due date and time, as well as the time limit and the number of attempts. You can always refer back to the original policy settings at the top of the page if you're unsure about the original time limit or the number of attempts granted. Once your extension is set, you'll click Save at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. To ensure that the extensions you set are in place, or to review any extensions you set previously, you can always go back to the drop-down menu and select Manage Extensions. From here, you can see the current extensions that are set, as well as edit and make any changes that you need to. Ensure to click Save once you have made those changes so that they stay in place. If you need to set extensions for multiple assignments, you can do so from the section homepage. Simply check the box beside the assignments that you need to adjust. From there, go to the Stack of Papers icon and select Manage Dates. From there, we'll click on the Extensions tab, select the student or students, and adjust the extensions as needed. If the extensions are different for every assignment, click on the Individually tab at the top right-hand corner, and that allows you to add extensions individually. This takes us to a familiar looking page where we again select the students, add the extensions that are required, and again, we can always refer to the top of the page for the original policy settings. We scroll down to save, and we can always review our extensions by clicking at the top here, and you'll notice we can click View to see the extensions that we added or make any adjustments as required.